Hello, everybody. I have got the schedule pulled up here for our class. I've made a couple changes. By the way, if you don't know how to get to the schedule, if you're on our course homepage, you can just click syllabus and it'll take you there. You'll just scroll down to the schedule part, which is a little ways down. But I wanted to, this is the right one here. I wanted to talk about a couple of changes that I've made to the schedule. So here's where we are. So today's the 28th. You have a discussion and a quiz due, which you've had access to all week. But next week, or the end of this week, and on Monday is going to look a little bit different. So I have a discussion board that I'm about to release, 3.5 and 3.6, for you to complete if you don't choose to attend the live class I'm going to hold on Collab Ultra. So you can, I'll show you how to find this. If you go to, I think it's communication, you'll click this Collaborate Ultra link and you will see a class period that you can click to enter. It's kind of like West Georgia's version of Zoom. It's not Zoom or Google Meet or whatever, but it's very much like that. So we'll have a camera and our mics and whatever, and we can talk about your reading so far. So if you attend those classes, make sure that you've read up until the page number and just be ready to talk. Bring your questions. You can talk to your classmates. You can ask questions from me, and I'm kind of excited about this. So we'll do it Thursday night, and we'll also do it again on Monday night. I'm hoping by doing it twice that can kind of fit your schedule a little better. So a Monday and a Thursday, and hopefully this is after work for some of you. But this is optional. So if you can't attend it, it's not a big deal. You can just do the discussion board for the week. It's no big deal. Lastly, the one other change I made is that Thursday the 8th, which is a while from now, I'm going to have one more beloved quiz, but it's going to cover where the last quiz stopped all the way through the end. It'll probably be something like 20 questions, so it's a little bit longer. That way, instead of having a quiz every week, I'm putting it at the end of the reading just to make it easier for all of us. Instead of having a ton of things to do, just one long reading quiz due then. So yeah, that's the changes. I hope that you like these changes. I hope that you can make it to the class. Again, I know that this is sort of late notice, so if you can't make it, that's fine. And again, it's optional, but it's going to be available for us. So I'm going to go ahead and post this, and I'll get the discussion posts up too, so that if you're not coming to class, you can just go ahead and complete that other stuff as you finish your reading. All right, cool. So we will touch base again soon. Hopefully I'll see a lot of you guys on Thursday. And yeah, talk to y'all later.